In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an attendance sheet in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable tracker that totals attendance automatically. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From the panel that appears, choose Sheets. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to use, open it now. Otherwise, you can start with a new blank sheet. Let's set up the layout. In column A, type your list of names, one per row. Across the top row, enter your days or dates, starting in column B so there's room for the names on the left. This creates a simple matrix. Names down the side, dates across the top. You can bold the header row or widen columns for readability, but keep it simple so everything stays easy to scan. Now, let's add checkboxes for attendance. Click and drag to highlight the block of cells where you want to track presence, for example, the area that starts at the first person's first date and covers all people and all dates. With that area selected, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Checkbox. Instantly, every selected cell becomes a checkbox you can tick for present and leave blank for absent. If you ever need to add more rows or dates later, just extend your selection and insert more checkboxes the same way. Next, let's count attendance automatically. Click in the cell where you want the total for the first person to appear, usually at the end of their row after the last date. Type an equal sign, then COUNTIF. Now select the range of checkboxes for that person's row, type a comma, then type true in quotes, and close the parenthesis. It will look like this conceptually. Equis COUNTIF. Selected range, true. Press Enter. This formula counts how many checkboxes are checked in that row. You can copy this formula down for the rest of the names so everyone gets an automatic total. If you add more dates later, just update the range to include the new columns. From here, using the sheet is straightforward. Each time someone is present, tick the box in their row under that day. As you check boxes, the totals update instantly, giving you a running count without any manual math. That's it. Your attendance sheet is ready. You can freeze the top row to keep dates visible while scrolling, or color code weekends if that helps. But the core setup is complete. Save your sheet and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.